Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be going to Home Depot's website and see if there's any sales or promotion that they have and see if anything that's worth mentioning, right? So, if you guys know me, I like Rigid brand the most. Reason being is because it offers the lifetime service agreement. And that one, you have to register the device or the product that you purchased within 90 days. And so let's get to it. Let's see, Rigid. I love Rigid. So let's see what they have here. So I did buy batteries. So here, depending on whether they have, they do sell it in the kit. They sell this on 2 6-amp max power batteries here, right? Promotion. This one. Let's take a look at this one first. I think you're gonna like this one. Where is it? We just clicked on that one. It was just there. That one is a promotion. I just saw it earlier. It's a really good deal. I have it in my my cart, so we can check that out over there. But let's take a look at this one right here, the batteries. So you can see here, this 2 6-amp. I actually have these battery as well too. I have the 2 amps, the 4 amp, the 6 amp, the 8 amp. I really like the 12 amps, but it's just too expensive. One of the 12 amp is like $250, and if you want two, that would be like $500. And that one, they never go on sale. But look at this one right here. Regular price was $269, and right now sale price you're getting at $111, right? And sometimes if you sign up for Rigid, I'm not sure, maybe every week you get like a promotional email. I give you whether it's $15 off or $25 off. So, and I mean, you can apply it, but you have to make the purchase on the Home Depot card. Right, so assuming you guys have one. If not, you can just open one easily. But this one, 2 of them for $111. And like I said, if you register it within 90 days, you're gonna have a lifetime service agreement. Really easy. Rigid website, for some reason, even though they ask you to upload the receipt and everything, but it'll take them a little bit of time. I would say about 7 to 10 days for them to certify or approve your device or the whatever product that you purchase as LSA. So what I usually do is I call them up, and then I'll just you speak to a representative, and he'll ask you, he'll give you his email. Then you just email the invoice, and he'll, after like 5 minutes, he'll approve it. I'm not sure why Rigid do this, because on the dashboard you can upload the invoice, and which I do, but then the representative said that's only for us to see. They don't see the invoice, so which doesn't make sense to me, right? But yeah, so if you're a Rigid fan, you know, I like Rigid. Let me show you my little 8 amp that I have. So this one is the 8 amp. This one, we'll talk about this one too. It's actually on sale as well too. But the 8 amps, I usually, what I do here in my house is I have a little solar system that I built, and I use it to charge portable batteries. So I got 2 panels on my my patio, and then like 8,000, maybe 10,000 kilowatt. And then I just use it to charge the portable batteries, which is awesome, right? And I run these like throughout the night, and even the morning times I'll still have like on the battery, it has 4 bars. I'll probably end up with having like 1 or 2 bars left. So it's really nice. So you don't need to change out quite often. But you can see here, batteries, it's this is what I'm talking about, lifetime service agreement, which is awesome. I don't think there's any other company in this industry that are offering like this. Right, so that's just me, but let's see. It's for some reason not loading as much. This is all right. Let me just show it to, I think, my cart, and then I'll show you. what I'm talking about. All right, so this is the one that I was, okay, so let's go with the 8 amp. Check this out. This one regular price is $383.99, and now special buy. For some reason, Home Depot, they do this a lot. Sometimes they take away the promotions, so then you see like 1 or 2 days is like $383 for these two, and then next week it comes down to $179. They do this quite a lot. So when you see like 300 something, don't buy it. Just wait. They're gonna drop it. But here, $179, $380 for these two batteries, and this is amazing battery, and I have it. I can't complain. It's awesome. Get it. Look at this here, lifetime service agreement. 2, 4, 6, 8 tiny batteries in there. I actually have 2, 4, 6 of them. And that's how much I like them. So let's go into another one that we talked about. This is another one that I think is really, really good deal. This is amazing. Check this out. 18 volt, brushless, cordless, 4 mode, half-inch, high torque impact range, right? It comes along with 2 4-amp batteries. This is amazing. The price $169. If it's not on sale, that is just like the battery itself. But here, the total value for this, if it wasn't like $557, now you're getting like what, 71% off. And if you're a mechanic or you work on cars, or there's a tough bolt that you want to remove, or you use this, I have it, and I use this to loosen my my lug nuts. It's a breeze. If you check out some of my videos, you see I have the Acura RL, I got the Lexus, and I use this to rotate the tires every single time. Back in the days, I used the big compressor. I still have it. I got the Craftsman Professional, I think 33 gallons, right? That thing is super noisy, it's really loud. You turn it on, you wake up the whole neighborhood. This one, no noise at all. And this thing is super strong, right? Like I said, you can buy it and you can have it shipped to the store. You can have it ship it straight to your house for free. And it looks like they have a lot of them. 812 ready to ship, which is awesome. Let's see what else they have. So we talked about the 6 amp, we talked about the 8 amp, and this one, charger, that's pretty much it. Okay, let's take a look at this one. This is the one I'm waiting for it to go on sale. Like $500, that's a little bit too steep for me. But this one, they never go on sale. So if you happen to see one on sale, leave it a comment. I'm probably gonna buy it right away, right? This is awesome. Again, lifetime service agreement. So if you ask me about the lifetime service agreement, I talked about this. I actually had an opportunity to do it with one of the batteries. So it's really simple, really easy. So one of the batteries stopped charging. It's a 4 amp one. So I go online and I open and I'll file a claim. Within minutes, they shipped me they emailed me the prepaid label. All you gotta do, you put the broken battery or the damaged battery, whatever that is, inside a box, and then you put the shipping label. I think it was FedEx. So I went to FedEx, I dropped it off, and it took them like about 3 or 4 days for FedEx to receive it, and then to ship it back, it take about another 3 or 4 days. So overall, the turnaround was about a week or 8 days. So this one, like if it's for me, because I have a lot of batteries, so it doesn't affect me. But I think Richard, what they should or could have done better, if the moment that we print up the label and ship it back, that's when I think they should ship us a replacement battery right away. So that way it could cut like the wait time, instead of like 7 to 8 days, down to about 3 to 4 days. You know what I mean? That way, if I really need the battery, then yes. Or better yet, if they can, you know, since Home Depot is their authorized retailer, if we could just bring in that battery over to Home Depot and Home Depot inspect it, and if they can't fix it, they can repair it, they can replace it, just give us another battery. That would be that would be ideal. You know, that would be like amazing. But I don't know if it's gonna happen. But right now, like I said, the process is, to me, I think is easy. Just only the downtime is about 7 to 8 days. But overall, I love Ridgid, and I'll continue to support them. And again, this video is not sponsored by Home Depot or Ridgid. It's just, I'm a guy that I like saving, I like promotions, and the whole purpose of this channel is to you know, to bring discount or savings to all of the audience, whatever, so that you guys can benefit from it. But if you guys enjoy the video, feel free to give it a like, and if you love the video, subscribe for more content like this. Other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.